yan.
I was surprised na in-include niya yan. But
diba?
she included this dress, but you know what? I will wear this.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanta.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling.
Today, meron pa akong surprise para sa inyo.
Hello, Philippines! And Shanta subscribers!
Dr. Vlogger! Hello, everyone! May luggage siya.
Guys, I have to invite you. Go to my channel, Dr. Joanna V. Miranda or Dr. Vlogger, and watch our Style Swap Challenge din. Ayaw niya magpakita. Halika dito! Halika dito! Ang sexy-sexy kaya niya. And yes, if you want to see her in different outfits on my style, I promise you guys, sobrang kabang-abang siya. Go to my channel, watch it, and like the video.
Sige nga, pakita mo sa kanila yung outfit mo today para may ano sila. May idea sila kung paano mo ko ito.
My outfit of the day is
Naka-boots siya.
I think this top is from Topshop. Yung detail niya, makikita talaga. Pero nag-tube ako underneath kasi it's daytime. Hindi pa siya pang night out. And yes, and my boots for today's
Ikot ka nga.
Ay, naku.
Yan.
So,
That's Dr. Joanna V. By the way, yan yung mga ano dyan, boxes dyan. Yan yung merch namin. Maraming nagtatanong paano mag-order. Punta lang kayo dito sa www.duantamerch.com. Doon mag-order kayo. It's cash on delivery. So, hindi muna kayo magbabayad. Mag-order muna kayo. Tapos, babayaran nyo na pag dumating na yung item. Okay? Let's go to the style swap! Excited na akong i-style si Joanna V sa boring kong outfits.
Well, di ko yun.
Okay, outfit number 1. I chose mga outfit na yung sinusot ko talaga. This is one outfit na I would wear pag magmamodeling. I love black as well as I love pink. I love denim din. Kaya ito yung papasuot ko kay Joanna V.
Actually, I'm excited to wear this, ha? Kanina nung makita ko to. Oh my God.
Suotin mo yan. Jo! Oh my gosh, ka-cute mo.
Oh my gosh. So yes!
How do you feel?
Ano kaya siya? Nasa yung mirror.
How do you feel?
Actually, okay naman siya, but I have not seen myself talaga in full length mirror. Oh, see? Ay, naku, Shanta naman. Okay lang ako. Kung ako, okay lang ako. Ikaw, okay lang. A jumper. Jumper to?
Oo,
Now that I wore something like this, naisip ko, kung nga naman in fairness to me, no?
Cute, Jo.
So, yan, first outfit.
Oh my gosh, ka-cute. So, I would wear this with my Omega watch. Oh, diba? Sosyala na. Pero may watch na siya. Yan na talaga. So, I will wear my watch and my studs. Ito. Yan lang. Tapos, for the footwear, I would wear that with this or this one. Mule. Parang formal siya. Tapos, parang hindi din siya formal. Okay, let's go to outfit number 2. Gusto ko sana, kasi yun yung usual kong sinusuot. Ito, yung black na t-shirt. Tapos, ito, yung black.
Trivia, I hate black. Yeah, especially pag black na yung plain na black. But, you know,
outfit number 2 supposed to be is this black and then this one. So, black siya lahat. Yung hate niya. Tapos, yung mules ko. Pero, I will make her wear. Alam mo ba ang same to? At saka to. Same brand.
Okay. Different style
Is
lang.
kailangan nyo ng ano, shirt lang na ganyan. Cotton on. Go, change. And then, I will make her wear my bomber jacket. Favorite color ko. And I think I like this jacket. Sige, go
So, ito
for
na yung top
outfit
ko.
number 2.
Excited.
Hoy! Ikuan mo pa. Suotin mo pa sa taas. Yan. Parang, ano lang pala, no? Normal lang talaga ako na tao. So, you have the jacket, the, the striped tee, tapos yung culottes. Parang hip-hop.
I feel light.
Hip-hop na.
Yeah. Boom.
K-pop lover kami.
Nice. Nice to. I like this one.
Just the jacket. Huwag ka nang magsinungaling.
Ito talaga na focus ako
ano
dito.
Mo nga, ganun mo nga.
Okay. Sige.
Yan, there. So, that's outfit number 2. That's it. Ang boring, no? Walang ka-excitement. Your outfit number 3. Outfit number 3 is, of course, di mawawala. Jeans, crop tee, at saka, at least meron na siyang jumper. Okay, outfit number 3. In case you get cold, you have the knit ready. Tapos you have the, yung walang kamatayang shirt. Jeans. Yes. Tapos yung coach. Tapos, which one would you choose?
Okay, ang size, hindi po kayo yata. I'm ready for our shoot.
Outfit number 3.
I like the pants, surprisingly, because I don't wear jeans as much as I'd like to since
Kasi diba, pag nanganganak ka na,
kasi kahit hindi pa ako nanganak, talagang
ano siya, mabalakang siya.
mabalakang ako.
Yung jeans na to, Old Navy siya. Nakalimutan ko yung style niya. Basta maganda.
Boyfriend.
Now, let's go to outfit number 4. Ito yung sinusuot ko pag Sunday. Black! Her favorite! Pair it with my...
Okay.
So, this is outfit number 4. This is outfit number 4. Pag kita ko yung magagawa ko.
Di ba?
So, you have the pearl. Play with the pearls. Crocodile. Crocodile, it's real. Crocodile, sorry. Crocodile.
Oh my gosh. It's like a La La Land.
Alam nyo ba, member kami ng dance group ni Joanna.
Yeah.
Sumasayaw kami nung high school.
Baka ikahiya ako nung ganito sa sayaw ko kanina.
Magaling kaya siyang sumayaw. How do you feel?
Comfort siya. Yun hindi naman yung...
Comfort siya?
Comfort. It provided comfort. I'm comfortable with it. It's just black. So, hindi ko talaga...
Oh, hindi siya mahilig kasi sa black.
Sa black.
Ako naman. Kasi comfortable ako pag naka-black ako. Kasi, yun nga, yung goal ko is to blend in.
Ako gusto ko to yata. Pag may kulay, okay siya. Kasi parang ano...
Actually, I have one with the color. Papakita ko sa kanila. I think she would wear
this one. Ito na version. This version.
Pero I was thinking kasi, ano yung
style.
usually na I would, get from my closet pag kailangan kong pumunta ng like church or formal na event. So I would usually,
And
usually I would
sa pearl.
Yan. Black. Pero ito din. Now, it's a surprise kasi
I was surprised na in-include niya yan. But
diba?
she included this dress, but you know what? I will wear this.
Of course, I cover myself.
But I also want to cover myself, especially now that I haven't exercised and haven't gained my pre-pregnancy weight yet.
Yeah. So, yan. Outfit number 5. Outfit mo na to. Doktora. Sexy mo. Uy, sexy ka kaya. Ano ka ba? Uy, mahusay, Jo. Kita. Look. Oh, so pretty, Jo. Oh, so nice.
Sweet.
Baga ka talaga ako. How do you feel?
I feel sexy with this outfit. I like this outfit.
Of course, gusto mo yan.
But I also like it with this na mother na kasi ko.
She's
Parang
a mom.
it's okay to wear
She's a doctor and she's a mom.
this dress with this one. Parang less yung revealing but sexy pa din.
Donya.
I like this. This is my favorite outfit.
Ayun nga, next
I
time
like
makita
the
mo.
jumper.
Oh, gusto ko yun.
But
Casual.
I like this pa. And then the next, the jumper.
Okay.
My most favorite outfit ako, my decision. I have decided this one. And the second will be the jumper. The first outfit. The least, yung black.
Aling black?
Yung black culottes at saka... But I like kasi the jacket pala. So,
Pero as a whole kasi.
as a whole, sige na nga, yun yung
Least. Feel mo talaga. Ayan, if gusto niyo makita yung different outfit na susutin ko, na style ni Joanna V, go to her channel. Again, Dr. Joanna V Miranda or Dr. Vlogger. Punta kayo doon. Makikita niyo naka off the shoulder ako.
This is
one of the outfits na pinasuot ni Juana V sa akin. Watch her video.
Comment down below that she should wear hats like the captain hat.
Gusto niyo bang magsuot ako ng mga hat?
Lagi.
Lagi, kahit nasa bahay.
Sit down video.
Comment down below.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me